Silence the alerts. Mastering modern communication. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's become increasingly relevant in our digital era. Silence the alerts. This expression is a cornerstone in understanding how we manage our interactions with technology, and mastering it can significantly improve your English communication skills. So, let's get started. At first glance, silence the alerts seems straightforward, but it's packed with meaning. To silence means to make quiet or to stop something from making sound. Alerts, in this context, refer to the notifications or warnings we receive, typically from our electronic devices like smartphones, computers, and tablets. When we combine these words, the phrase, silence the alerts, is a directive to turn off or mute the notifications on our devices. This can be for a variety of reasons, such as to focus on a task, reduce distractions, or simply to have some peace and quiet. In today's digital age, being bombarded by notifications is a common experience. Learning to silence the alerts is not just about managing our devices, it's about managing our attention and time effectively. This phrase reflects a broader concept of digital well-being and the need to sometimes disconnect to maintain our mental health. Moreover, understanding this phrase and using it appropriately can improve your English by making your language more relevant and timely. It shows an awareness of modern challenges and solutions in communication technology. Let's look at some examples of how to use silence the alerts in a sentence. I need to focus on this project, so I'm going to silence the alerts on my phone for a few hours. During the meeting, could everyone please silence the alerts on their devices to avoid interruptions? She decided to silence the alerts to enjoy a peaceful dinner with her family. These examples highlight the versatility of the phrase in various contexts, emphasizing its utility in everyday communication. Understanding and using the phrase, silence the alerts, is more than learning new vocabulary. It's about adapting to the evolving landscape of English language use in a digitalized world. We hope this video has illuminated the importance of this phrase and how it can enhance your communication skills. Remember, mastering English is not just about words and grammar, it's also about grasping the nuances of modern communication. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. See you in the next one!